Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Fiat 500, and if you need to find the fuse for the horn, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. If your horn is not working, check that fuse, but also we have a video that explains the top reasons, top 3 why horn does not work on Fiat 500, okay? So check it out guys. Now we'll explain why it's super important to test the fuse as well, so make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So with that being said, let's explain what we have specifically here guys. I'm going to go ahead, open the hood. We have a Fiat 500 Abarth, but if you have a regular Fiat it will work as well. Now let us show you what we have here. That's a car battery. Next to the car battery is the main fuse box of the vehicle. We have one more fuse box that's inside the vehicle, and we have a special video that explains where the fuses are located on Fiat 500. Check it out. You need to remove that bolt on top. Once you remove it, pull it out, you can pull that lid up. And good news guys, okay, you have the fuse numbers listed. Bad news, you don't know what those fuses are for, and they do not go in order as well. It's super important when you check the fuse to always test it guys, because it may seem okay, you put it back in, you still have that problem, you're wasting time and money, when all we had to do test the fuse and find out that it was bad. I will put a link to a special video that will explain how to test the fuse on a car. Check it out, it can save you quite a bit of trouble. So the fuse guys that we need to check for the horn is known as fuse number F10. This one will be the third fuse right here on the left side from top to bottom. It should be a 10M fuse in our case. 1, 2, 3. This one right here. That's the fuse guys for the horn on Fiat 500. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.